On this part, we are going to fix the number of likes in a post and also toggle the icon in here. So let us go to Visual Studio. In here, I'm going to start in the home controller. And the first thing that we need to do is that for all the posts, we need to also include the likes. In here, dot include, and then n, that goes to n dot likes. Now, if you want to also have the user information, just type in here, then include, that goes to n dot user. But in our case, we just want to know the number of likes, so I'm just going to remove the then include. Let us save the changes. Let us go to the post.c#html, and this one in here is going to be just at model.likes and then .count. That is all. Another thing we need to change in here is that if the logged in user did like the post, then we want to show the heart. Otherwise, we want to show the heart, but it should be outlined, so not filled in. For that, in here we can add a condition. So at, and then I'm just going to check for the model dot, let's say, likes, and there is any like where the n.user ID is the logged in user ID, and let us hard code it for now to be just 1. So if it's a case where you have a like where the user ID is the logged in user ID, then the class is going to be hard. Otherwise, it has to be hard outline. Let us remove this part and let us save the changes. I'll just go to the home controller. I'm going to remove the breakpoint, and then I'm going to start the project. Now, if I scroll down here, you can see that this post has 0 likes. This one down here, 0 likes as well. So let me just click now this button. You can see that the page was refreshed. So now I have 1 like, and this is highlighted. Another thing that I want to change is that if it's not liked, so I just click, now it's disliked, I don't want to have this shadow around this icon, so I want it to be just gray. Let me go back to Visual Studio one more time. In here, I want to add the same condition, so let me just add at and then open close brackets. This is going to be the condition. If this is true, then I want to show the text red and also the background red. Otherwise, just an empty string. Let us save the changes. I'm just going to restart the project. Now let me just scroll down. You can see that the problem is fixed. Now let me just like, and then dislike or remove the like, and it is back to the initial state. As you can see, it works as expected. We still have a problem that for each like, the whole page reloads, but we're going to fix this in the upcoming parts. Now next, let us work with the post comments.